To the people who reach into a carton of warm, crispy, golden, perfectly salted McDonald's world-famous fries and return with just one.
The National Weather Service has issued an astronomical event warning. At 11:49 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, satellite dishes that NASA sent to the sun detected massive bursts of solar activity. This could conclude the end of humanity, because these bursts of energy were detected as the sun expanding or dying. We would not want to cause any concern to the human race, so please do the following to reduce panic. Number 1. Say goodbye to your loved ones. There is no point in not doing so. We are all going to be dead in the next few minutes. Number 2. Keep calm, cool, and collected. There is no reason to panic. This will all be over soon. Number 3. Stay tuned for more updates. We will let you know if it was a false alarm if humanity doesn't die. May God conclude this final broadcast. Goodbye everyone on planet Earth.